How to turn off age restriction on Twitter or X account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your preferred web browser, tap on the search bar and search for X. Now click on Login to Twitter. Tap on Open in New tab. Switch to the tab. Now select your account. Now from here tap on your profile and go to Settings and Privacy. Now click on Privacy and Safety. Now tap on Content You See and enable the toggle for display media that may contain sensitive content. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.